So why are we feeding these cats wet food and dry food at night?
Are you asking me that?
Yeah, I'm asking you that.
Well, because I'm going to transition to only wet food at night so that when they're outside and they have to come inside at night to be locked up, that they want to eat, that it's more enticing to them to eat the wet food. So they'll eventually get dry food in the morning and then wet food at night. But right now I'm transitioning them.
All right. Yum. Doesn't make me want to come home to eat. Ugh. Bear's not even interested in begging for it. Ugh. I know. Gross cat food.
Your belly?
He just gave up on life.
Time to eat, babies. Come on, it's dinner time.
Already licking your chops, yeah?
Are you hungry?
Holy cow. Are you dying of starvation? You're taking off.
Are you hungry?
Here comes the brigade. Holy cow. Look at you hungry rats. Alright, here we go.
I'm gonna leave this. You can put it in a minute.
So the crazy thing with this cat hut is anytime you go in there, you have to unlock both of these latches. Well, so the door don't swing open. Somebody, me, has to stand out here and lock her in the cage with all the cats. So I got to come up with a way to latch this from the inside so I don't have to stand here and watch these ridiculous cats eat. They sure like their wet food, not so much that dry food.
Usually after they eat the wet food, they go to the dry.
Community eaters. Hi. Yep. There's a half a package of something. Let's give this a try. Alright, so I had this latch laying around. I don't know why it was open, but I got it here. And it's basically just a simple latch. Slide that up. And slide it this way and latch into place, and then you can open up your gate. When you want to lock it, you slide this back in and lock it back down, and you're locked inside. And it came with 6 screws. So we're going to go ahead and see if we could get this to fit on one of those boards in there. So I really dread having to go into that cat cage. So what do you think? Can she do it? I think that's how this is going to work. Get a drill and some Phillips bits. See if we get this thing installed. Get a drill to make this easier. And we got some old drill bits here. We need to find something that we could pre-drill the holes so these screws don't split that wood. So I would believe, what is that size? I don't know, it's too dark, I can't see. Got the drill bit in our chuck. Now we need a Sharpie. Stuffed animals, that's where we keep the Sharpies. Need some light in this place. And we need a drill bit for them little screws. So we'll just grab one of these right here. That should work. So you think the cats are gonna freak out when you start drilling this door? Yeah, they gotta get used to it. We're running tools, machines out here all the time. All right, that's good. Don't tighten it.
Oh. It went wrong.
Pull the trigger to pull it out.
be over more. Now what do I do?
Part on there. Lining up with the edge. Now you gotta mark your holes. If you want to just drill that one out, and then we can get it started.
How come I'm off? Are you lifting the door?
Nope.
It was way off. Even it was right on my dot. Let's see what happens.
Just get the thread started. That's good. Cool.
Hand doesn't want to work.
Now lock it down. Right. I'll drill that screw into that bottom. You ever drilled holes before? Have you ever screwed a screw before? Have you ever held a drill before? No. So this is entertaining.
Plus, I have a messed up hand.
That's good. Alright, that's good.
Uh-oh. It's crooked.
Can you unlatch it now? Can you open the door? Can you shut the door? Can you latch it?
Look at that. It's not perfect, but I did it.
Congratulations.
The gimp hand. Now we're all locked in here.
They ate all the wet food, some dry food.
Now they're
Cat
sleeping.
Here's our first modification to the cat house. Where'd you buy this cat house from?
And the Tuvin
All right.
online.
So if you buy a cat house from Elementa, Labatubin, whatever the hell online it was, that's your first upgrade. Get yourself a latch so you can lock yourself inside without having someone like me stand outside to guard the door the whole time. Congratulations. Nice job. We also put a fan out here. I should have done a YouTube video on how to install a outside outlet, but sun was baking on me, and I was just not in a good mood out here doing this project. But we got an outside outlet, and we got this cheapy fan blowing on the I just gotta clean up this mess. Put the Sharpie back in the stuffed animals. Drove it back in its place. It's not dull, it only drilled in soft wood. Put my bit back away. That's why all the electric stuff is out all over the place here. electric stuff everywhere. Everything electric. I could do it. Electric work, I could do it. All right, everything's put away. She's locked in the cat hut. I'll share a secret with you. I'm terrified of cats. What do the cats do after they eat? They just sleep.
Yeah.
So there you have it. You buy your cat house and you want to lock yourself inside without having someone like me have to stand outside the darn thing the whole time. It's very easy to do. Thanks for watching.